Good day, colleagues. Good day, colleagues. This is Elman Tite from the Choir on Stage, from Partners in Arts. We having this conversation this afternoon just to share information regarding the awards that are about to take place in Maluda Pofu, Thabo Mofusanyana, Fezile Dabi, and also we're gonna have 3 awards in Free State. But in this session, I just want to explain to you guys how it's all going to work. It's a different one. It's not a session or a program where our supporters are going to vote for us. There are no votes. However, everything that we're doing there or intend to do is to enhance our fan base, to grow our fan base, to reach out to more audience so that we can get more support internationally and from the neighboring countries. So the name of the awards, it's tagged as Strictly Digital Awards. So basically, choirs are going to be recorded live. I'm going to share a poster and I'm going to share dates. Participants, we're going to have an open date or where it's more like a call for action, where basically forms are going to be available for registration. So I'm going to share the dates today to say when are we opening for registration and then when are we closing. And then as soon as we close, the office will communicate with all the participants or choirs which are interested to take part. And then the next step will be to get the date. For instance, our first session is going to take place in Puteri Chaba Multipurpose Hall, where Partners in Arts will be in association with Setso Samaluti, Kwakufe, and the local municipality. But the event is actually it's going to be headed and managed by Partners in Arts. So we're going to share the date of the live recording. So all the participants will come into one venue. It's a night show. It's not competitions. We don't have judges or adjudicators sitting in the front staring at the choristers. So it's an event, it's an open event. However, what we're going to emphasize is that because it's a live recording, bottles won't be allowed on the event. So if you consume something or you want to drink something, it's strictly plastic that's going to be allowed. I'm just giving you a hint of one of the conditions for the kind of an event, because the audio is going to be recorded live and also the video is going to be recorded. So basically, it's a live recording where from one song we'll be receiving or getting an audio track and also to receive a visual track, which is a video. So it will depend on the number of choirs registering for a night. So the first process will go, which is the registration, the application, then we're done with the administration to confirm, and then a poster will be issued to say how many choirs are participating, and there'll be a gate taking. Basically, tickets will be sold for the main event. So it's an event. We're going to a night show. So we celebrate the way we used to celebrate the Slap and Tap, and then until it's a 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. because I think and presume that there's going to be a lot of choirs. So let me make an example. Let's say in one event in Puteri Chaba, one choir performed 3 rounds or maybe 3 segments. So out of the 3 rounds that you've done, you will tell us which songs you want to compete with. So we're not going to take all the 9 songs that you performed for a night. So we'll only take 3 songs and edit the songs. And then the last step will be to upload or to create the channel first. We're going to create a channel for the choir with an intention for each and every choir. We must have an official channel so that you can be in good relation with YouTube and the other major partners. So we're going to create a channel for the choir. We upload the songs. So for when we start with the competition, all choirs, it's a race. So the date for publication will be announced to say people can start streaming your music. Music will be available from all major platforms of streaming, the likes of Deezer, Boomplay, YouTube Music, Facebook Music, Apple, or all of those channels, and Spotify. So audio will be charged under 2 categories, which is for streaming and downloads, and then the visuals, which is the video, will be charged for subscription. Your channel needs to have people need to subscribe to your channel, and then the second one will be the likes to the video, where people have to like the video. People can comment but the comments won't be charged. So we will recommend that engage with the audience and encourage them to comment on your videos. However, there will be restrictions about the language, and then also the viewer. So the more viewers you have, the higher chance you get for winning the award. The more likes you get, the more chance you get. And also, obviously, the subscription. Our intention is that at the end of the competition, you started your channel with a 0 subscription of people. At the end of the channel, it should grow. It should, and then the nice thing about it is that everybody will be able to see the analytics and to see exactly how many people are liking your music, or how many people have viewed your videos. So yeah, I'll just like to repeat what I said, but now in Sesotho, just for some of those our fans and supporters who would maybe understand it better. So the competition tsena tse re di etsang ke di-awards, but basically a se di-choir kaofela tse recordileng, and it doesn't make sense for you to enter the award ka album e sa le recorda before COVID ka 2019 or ka 2021. So ntho e tla o beya monyetleng wa gore o hole is when you compete with the recent material. So the first phase o tlo qala ka go apply, o tlatsa form e bontshang an interest that you want to take part go di-awards. Sorry for that. So the first process, whatever the date, for instance, go put the first date, get the 1 July. The application, they are available from the 1 July. You can submit. The sooner you confirm, the better. Get the 1 July 2025, and then the last day of July, which is the 31st July, for Maluta Pofu. However, Maluta Pofu, there's a possibility our Bethlehem will also be added to that. But if Virginia, Bethlehem have their own competition, then we'll notify you guys. And then the recording date, Mona also is a recording date, but ke night show. So show it was around multi-purpose. It was the 9th August 2025 from 6 p.m. until 6 a.m. So yeah, I'm not sure as you speak how many choirs are going to, but I know Kabo Wanafela harassment na le di-choir tse ngata se seng di ya di reacha 10 as we speak. There's Castel le yona ka bo yona ena le di-choir tse ngata, and then Ralkoto ena le di-choir tse ngata. So le Bethlehem ena le di-choir tse ngata. So if we get 30 choirs on one stage, and the nice thing about this event is that it's going to be captured and it's going to be broadcasted from one KZN TV, and then the choir on stage, and then we're also going to broadcast it go Masimbonge TV. We're busy talking to other channels so that we can boost you guys. The more airplay you get on TV, the more subscription you'll get on YouTube. The more airplay we play on TV, the more likes and viewership you'll get on your other channels, which is the official channel that we want or we intend to create for each and every one of you. And then after night show, obviously we need to do post-production, which is editor, and then the race will start. And then the race will then start, let's say, for instance, the award the recording date was the 9th August. Then we start the following month, which is September. Now we have September, October, until the 25th of November. Get 3 months in promoting your 3 songs. We think it's a sufficient time for you to share the links, because in between we're going to have engagements and assisting the choir or PROs or whoever that's pushing content to choir to say these are the channels that you need to to do, or these are the strategies that you must take in order to reach as many people as possible. So after the recording is done, we will start playing on TV, but the date at the competition we're gonna open the dates. And the nice thing is that the Crown stage from July is gonna be play for an hour. So it's no more going to play for 30 minutes. So totally an hour episode on TV. However, the viewership on TV does not form part of the competition. We're only judging the choir, got the subscription on YouTube, the viewership on YouTube, and also the likes on YouTube. So information is I'm just going to repeat as so to mixing with the other languages that we're going to have an open date for registration, closing date for registration, and then followed by a night show. Out of a night show, if 20 choirs or 30 choirs competed on, or they were competing on that show, all of them are going to be played on TV, and then their channels are created. We do post-production. 31st of September, the vote starts, and the voting, it's by way of liking a video. And then the engagements out, how do you do that, will run anytime from within that period. So it will run from the 1st of September until the 25th or the 28th of November, because the hours it will be the 29th of November. So if another province or another region within Free State is embarking on the same competition, their recording dates will differ, but the date, their race will be the same. So for instance, when we move to Bloemfontein, Botshabelo, and Tabanchu, when they do their recording, it will never be on the same date, which is the 9th of August. It will be a different date. However, when we open the lines and say the channels are now open, the race is on, everybody will then have to start. You can reach us for more information on 0788 479 354, or you can also call 068 330 3880. The numbers get paid up is 0788 479 354. Then the second number at General Mazenzela is 068 330 3880. You are welcome. Please ask for clarity. We are available Monday to Sunday. This is KM Records. This is Partners in Us. This is the Choir on Stage. This is a very, very exciting initiative. It's going to be packed. I can promise you that it's going to be packed. The last thing that I didn't announce is that later on we will announce the kind or the trophy about the award is Amale. So there will be an award. As I've mentioned, it's more like 5 categories. They repeat now. For audio, the categories will be streaming and downloads. And then for videos, it will be subscription or the subscribers, the likes, and also the viewers. However, the comments are recommended. They're going to be open. You're not going to turn off the the comments option. We encourage your friends and your supporters to communicate or to do those comments so that it boosts your channel, also the profile between you as a client or not as an artist in YouTube. So if you calculate, we in one region or in one award ceremony, we're only going to have 5 winners or 5 awards. So the awards will definitely be accompanied by a way of remuneration also, or a cash prize. So that information will follow. The posters will be available from our website. They'll be available also on our YouTube. They'll be available also from all the platforms that we normally use, which is TikTok and also on Facebook. I wish you well, and I encourage the choir. Those who don't give up. The Choir Stage is here, always there to support your initiatives, and we don't only ask what we have captured, but what you've initiated. If you have an event and you want to book us for a live recording, we are available to come and capture your event and then make sure that this broadcaster. We do not charge. I want to emphasize a recharge for such, but you have to cover the cost of transportation for crew. For today, I was hoping that this session will never be more than 15 minutes, it's basically I'm preparing you guys for a longer session. So by saying that, I think I've missed with 1 minute, but I thank you.